Hi, so welcome to the Team.Do demo video. Here we'll do a walkthrough of the major functionality of our software. So let's go through it, shall we? So if you just signed up as you would be getting a screen like this with the Team.Do registration notification. In the email, basically, it tells you that you're successfully able to register the Team.Do account. As you can see, it says this, and now we go to the main window. The main window has a couple of things. One is the update pane, which basically tells all the new updates by your team members, and the only update here sorry, is that we created the account. So let's put some tasks in. This is the main thing. Team.Do is a collaboration and task software. So what we want to do is create tasks. And here we go. Click on New Task. And since I'm the only user, it says Amir S is the place to send alerts. And I want to send alerts. Task title is check with Bob about the burgers, whatever that means. I have only one employee in my company, which is myself, and I want to put it under activities, which is the only project we have open. You can put different projects in as you move along to help you get organized. I'll put this as an urgent priority and give it a due date for today. Here you can put in some more details, so I'll write in some extra details. Details. And I'll go ahead and save that. Once you save that, you'll see it highlighted as being due today. You'll see it in the task section. This is an urgent task. If I want to check with the details about it, I click it and I will get the project details. Where here I can also mark it complete, or I can forward it to another employee. So now we want to get a little bit more advanced, and we want to add another employee. To do that, all you need to do is check the person's email, and you can just go ahead and list. So I'll list another one of my email accounts. Let's call it this one. Here the role of the employee is a manager. You can choose to have 3 levels of employees or roles in the system. One is the manager, where they can see and edit everything, including tasks that were not made by them. An employee who can only edit tasks that were meant for him and can only view tasks that were meant for him. And a viewer only, where they can only view tasks, they can't edit or forward any tasks. So I want the full functionality for both of my accounts, which is the highest level, it's managers. And I put add employee and quickly change role. Oh, I need to select it obviously. And change role to manager. Here we go. So now I want to add, for my next task, I want to give the task to somebody else. Let's call a task, I don't know, let's check with Bob about the fries, shall we? And we want to split that up. Check with Bob about the fries. And the owner, it's confusing, but both of my names here is Amir, but the top one is the old one and the second one is the new one. So I want this to be done by the first Amir. Both of them, I want them to get notifications. That means getting emails about it. This is still my normal project, and I want to go ahead and mark it high. And I'll give it a due date of not also today, but tomorrow. And details. So I'm going to go ahead and save that. And now, sorry, you can take a look at what's being done here. I have a couple of tasks. I can prioritize them, and they're already prioritized from urgent to normal. They're all in the same project, and you can see them by the different times that were made. If I go ahead and click on each one of them, you will be able to see the details. And if I want to go into calendar view and see what's up for me as a user, I will be able to see that my calendar says, let's check about the burgers. And early next week, I want to check about the fries. So that's pretty much the basic walkthrough. If I want to create a different project, I just want to quickly write it down. Let's call it coffee. And the description I don't have to enter, but I can add whatever I want. In the new task, I'll be able to assign a different task for this project. So let's write a different task. Let's call it coffee maker. It will be buy a coffee maker. And I own it by the first Amir, which will be marked by this. And it's a different project now. It's the coffee project with a high priority and a no due date. And I save that. Now, in the update pane, I'll be able to see, in the task pane, I'll be able to see the different tasks. And you can see it also by different projects. So let's search it by projects. I have all my activities as the ones I've done up until now. In coffee, you'll be able to see only the tasks that are in the coffee project. Another way to do this is take a look at all projects again, and this time I just want to do a keyword search. If I don't remember what project it was specifically or anything, I'll just write coffee maker, and I'll only be able to see the task made with the keyword coffee maker. So that was a quick run through of the Team.Do software. We hope you enjoyed it, and I thank you very much for your time. If you have any questions, contact us at support@teamdo.com.